Hello and welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this Vauxhall Key Remote. Today you're going to need a 2032 battery, quite a common one, available in most stores. We'll pop that to one side, we'll get straight into it. Just to check this is the same as yours before we make a start. And if we flip it over, we've got a little silver button here. If we press that in and then just pull out the emergency key, should your remote fail, this will get you into the vehicle. The location of the lock varies on model to model, so that's something you need to check. We'll pop that down to one side. So we need to remove the rear of the key here. Now we can do this with the key, so we just place it in a little bit and then just twist it, and as you can see that splits the key open. So just be careful that the board doesn't fall out, and that reveals our battery. Our battery is placed in positive side down, negative side up, and if we just put a small screwdriver in there, carefully release the battery. And this is your positive side, the smooth side of the battery, and your negative side is the domed edge. So we just get the new battery, and if we look in the back of the case in there, you can see it shows a little positive symbol. So that indicates that when we put the new battery back in, we go in just on the bottom edge, and that just clips into place like that. And when we bring this back over, just be careful because we've got metal pins exposed. So we just carefully bring that over and place everything into place. Snap it back together, get your emergency key, it'll only go back in one way, clip that back in, and that's job done on your Vauxhall remote key, changing the battery. Hope this was helpful. Please give us a like and subscribe, check out our other videos, and we'll see you soon.